Hello guys, visitors will be coming over our place in about a month, so we are just preparing. So we will be replacing our very old and trusty gas stove with the same type. So this one is also a double burner with the model there from Denki DGS-208. So it's also electronic ignition, and we will also be buying a gas range. It's just a 3 burner, a 50 centimeter with an oven function. So let's do an unboxing, or sort of let me open the box. With the box opened, so it still has this I don't know what they call this, coating. Yeah. All right, and something there, and out of the box. So normally what happens is, press it first, and there we go. The spark coming out of that is actually very high, and you can get a nasty I don't know, shock if you touch the spark. So nothing really fancy about this gas stove. It's just a normal one, the standard one. Okay. And these are the support for the cooking utensils, your pots and pans, and it looks like it's all made of stainless steel. That's the ignition there, and gas is feed through here in the LPG tank. You should have your own regulator and hose, of course, and it's secured by, I forgot what they call this thing again. And that's the ignition here, that's the side. Alright, and I'm quite so happy to see that it's actually locally made. So well done, Philippines, well done, Denki. So it's indeed a local brand, so good to know that. So let's flip it over. This is very important. You have to remove this film because that could be a fire hazard. Because once you use this can get warm up and heat up, and that may lead to fire. Alright, like that. From my experience before, we used to have a glass top, and the support was actually very high, so much higher than this, and it took so long for the for the fire to for the cooking to take place, because just so much heat loss. So I think this one is about correct. Yeah, maybe it's about another half a centimeter there. That's not too good. So here's now the oven setup. So you can see it's still ready. There you go. There you go. Yeah. So I'm quite happy with it. As you can see, it's made of stainless steel, and for the price of, I think, 770 pesos plus shipping, although I got this on sale, so this is about 900 pesos. So it's really great value, and the thing is, it's really made of stainless steel, so it's easy to clean, and it's rust proof, and it's gonna last. So hope this video has been helpful. Thank you guys. Bye bye.